beat the Utah Raptors. It's feeding time, as usual, but there's a definite pecking order. The weakest of the three will have to wait for his meal. Now that's nothing like the dinner table in your house, I'm sure. None for you.
Try to eat the hay.
You hear those sounds they make? Raptors are intelligent enough to communicate with each other, and it helps them work as a team in the pursuit of their prey.